Greeting everyone, this is Sergei from ZSK Germany. Today we will walk through adjusting Z-axis on W-head and troubleshoot common issues related to it. If this is what you need, let's get started. For this task you will require the following tools: cross-tube Phillips screwdriver, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, and a long 2 mm Allen keys. Turn on the machine and ensure the W-head is turned on. Access the T8 control panel. Press L3 for service, then R2 for test machine attachments. Using the arrow buttons, select W-head, Z-axis and presser foot local, and press L8 to start testing. Zigzag head should turn to 9 o'clock, corresponding to 0 degrees for Z-axis. Using a cross-tube Phillips screwdriver, open the front plate on the W-head to access the Z-axis shaft coupling. Loosen the top screw using a 3 mm Allen key. Now you can freely rotate zigzag head to adjust its position. Rotate zigzag head to the correct 9 o'clock position. Press on the timing belt pulley to bring Z axle up, leaving a 1 mm gap to the flange under the W-head. Tighten the top screw on the Z-axis shaft coupling. Press the right button on the W-head to test the rotation of Z-axis. If everything is correct, reattach the front plate to the W-head. Exit the test and operate your machine as usual. In some cases, the two set screws on the timing belt pulley may require tightening. Press the right button on the W-head to allow free rotation of zigzag head. Use a long 2 mm Allen key to access and tighten these screws. Rotate the head to locate the two set screws on the pulley. At the 0 degrees 9 o'clock position, one set screw should face you. Ensure that this screw is tightened onto the flat portion of Z-axis shaft. Now let's talk about troubleshooting of the main issues. If zigzag head checks successfully during embroidery, Z-axis timing belt may be loose or worn. To adjust belt tension, use a 4 mm Allen key to loosen two screws on the black flange. Push the flange back to increase tension and retighten the screws. To replace worn-out belt, first go to Test Machine Attachments menu, select W-head, Z-axis and pressure foot local and start testing. Open the front plate and loosen the top screw on the Z-axis shaft coupling. Remove the two screws from the flange under the W-head. Disengage Z-axis shaft by pulling the timing belt pulley down. With help of 2.5 mm Allen key, detach zigzag head. Pull the pulley towards the front and rotate it slightly to remove the worn belt from the pulley. Then unloop the belt from the zigzag sleeve starting from one side. Put the new belt onto the zigzag head. Then loop it onto the timing belt pulley while rotating the pulley. Provide proper tension on the new belt and tighten the flange screws. Reattach the zigzag head, rotate it to the 9 o'clock position and re-engage the Z-axis shaft coupling with the motor. Test the rotation by pressing the right button on the W-head. If operating correctly, reattach the front plate and resume normal operation. If you encounter a position Z-axis timeout error, check for any mechanical obstructions on zigzag head or material guiding pipes. Also, ensure the timing belt tension isn't too high and reduce it if needed. We hope this video was helpful to you. For any additional support, you may reach out to your local agency, whose contact details you will find on the ZSK website. Below this video, you will find links to purchase tools and parts used in this demonstration. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.